Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s minus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to ds. dv we have secant of s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to tan s. Next, we have u multiplied by v. So we have s minus 1 multiplied by tan s minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration tan s ds. We know that tan s that is about sine s over cosine s. The integration of negative sine s over cosine s, we have positive ln of the absolute value of cosine s, and then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.